Hi guys, today we'll be discussing the anatomy of a spreadsheet. When we open Excel first and we open a blank sheet, this is how it should look like. When we look at the bottom, we see that we are on sheet 1 of this workbook. We can add another sheet by clicking on this, and that will give us a new worksheet. Now let's look at what these are called. All the vertically these are called columns. Column E, column D, column C, and column B. What we have right here horizontally are the rows. So row 5, row 6, row 7. And then when we look at individually all these boxes, this is called a cell. Each individual box is a cell. Now when we select from here to here, we would call it a range.